If you're in the process of remodeling your bathroom or have a project like that in mind, but you're not sure how you're going to get your giant shower panels in place alone, this video I'm going to show you how I did it and a great tool that I found to make it possible to move these giant shower panels alone without breaking your back. This is the panels that we're going to be putting in, and they're smooth as glass. Real nice looking panels. They're about 54 to 57 pounds each. So they're going to be a challenge to get put in place. And the tool I found that's going to make this possible is these suction cup lifters. It's a great tool for a project like this. If they're as easy to use as they seem to be, and they work as well as they claim, they're going to be a fantastic tool for this project. But you set it on there and then you pump this handle and it'll suction itself to the material until that red line disappears. And now you've got a carrying handle. I'm excited to use them and I'm hoping it's going to make this project a lot easier. So we've got to take these panels out of here. I'm hoping to get one or two of them installed today. As you can see, when I installed the first panel, I only used one of the suction cup holders, and that allowed me to use my other hand on the edge and have a little more control over the panel. I found them to be very useful in this project, and that allowed me to install these heavy shower panels solo without breaking my back. As you grab the edges of the panel, if you're not using the suction cup holders, it's hard to get it pushed into the corner where it needs to be because your hand's in the way. And you might even end up with a big mess on your hands, literally, because you have the adhesive applied to the wall. And if you have to grab around the edge of the panel, potential to make a big mess is pretty high. We're even able to use the suction cups to pull out a section that we cut out to install a niche into this new shower, and it did a great job, kept that from falling inside the wall where we couldn't get to it. And then as we go on with this project, I'm sure we'll use it to install the shower door or shower screen. And I've got a couple other projects in mind for these SESSI suction cups. They really made this job a lot easier than if we were trying to do it without them. Click the video on the screen now if you want to see some of the videos I made of this shower remodel into a walk-in shower, and we'll see you over there.